Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus ES versus the C-Class. We'll dive into what makes each of these luxury sedans stand out, from their driving dynamics to their interior comforts. You'll learn about their engine options, fuel efficiency, and the overall ownership experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle and preferences. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Lexus ES typically focuses on a refined and comfortable journey, often featuring V6 or hybrid options that deliver excellent fuel economy, sometimes achieving over 40 miles per gallon. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class, on the other hand, is known for its sportier feel, precise steering, and a range of turbocharged engines, including some with over 250 horsepower. Each car offers a distinct driving personality. Inside, the Lexus ES provides a very spacious and comfortable environment, especially for rear passengers, with intuitive controls and a large display screen. The C-Class impresses with its sophisticated design, high-quality materials, and cutting-edge technology, including a large central touchscreen and digital instrument cluster. Both vehicles offer luxurious amenities like heated seats and premium audio systems, ensuring a pleasant experience for all occupants. It really comes down to your preferred aesthetic. Considering value, the Lexus ES often presents a compelling package with its reputation for reliability and lower long-term ownership costs. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class, while potentially having a higher initial cost, offers a premium brand experience and a wider array of performance-oriented trims. Both are excellent choices, but your priorities will guide your decision. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.